The cosmic microwave background. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the oldest light in the universe, the Big Bang's afterglow, released when the cosmos cooled enough for atoms to form. It's incredibly uniform at about 2.7 Kelvin, bathing everything in microwave radiation but with tiny temperature fluctuations. 1 part in a million, that became the seeds for all structure. Galaxies, clusters, the cosmic web. Detailed maps from the Planck satellite revealed a flat universe geometry and precise composition. Just 5% ordinary matter. Stars, planets, US. 27% dark matter and 68% dark energy. These ripples match predictions from inflation, that ultra-rapid expansion in the universe's first instance, smoothing things out while amplifying quantum fluctuations. Ongoing 2025 analyses are probing inflation's details, hunting for primordial gravitational waves or anomalies. The CMB is our clearest window into the infant universe, confirming the hot Big Bang model spectacularly. It's like eavesdropping on the cosmos at 380,000 years old. Every pixel tells a story of origins. Comment your biggest cosmos question.